Hey everybody, it's Mike Biddle. Today I'm going to show you how to easily restore these Tomy wind-up toys. This is from 1982. Obviously it's Mr. and Miss Pac-Man. This one actually worked pretty good when I got it. This one was a little slow. They're actually quite easy to service. I'll put the links in the bottom of what you need, but you just need some of this super lube, and then some liquid bearings. Use the links in my profile below. I get a small commission affiliate from eBay and Amazon on those. All right, so everything is basically held together with this one screw, and that's going to be true for both. The design's the same on Mr. and Mrs. Pac-Man. If you want to be extra careful, you can handle it with a microfiber towel. We're just going to unscrew that one screw, and then it'll pop out. And then once you have that disconnected, the ghost and all this stuff just pulls straight out. So this one's already been, it may be a little harder the first time. This one's actually already disassembled it. And you have basically three pieces inside. You have the wind-up gear and the cover, and then the ghost. And then inside, you'll want to check these, clean those up real good. I just used a little WD-40 because this one had a little rust on it or something gummed up. And then anything that's metal, you're going to want to use the liquid bearings to grease. It makes it move smoother. So I just put, and it just takes a little, just a tiny little dab. And it's probably overkill to do that, but you do want to remove any grease that's on that. And then you can actually put some, if you look in here, you can see there's some tiny little gears. And you can kind of see where I've already lubricated that. You want to use your super lube synthetic grease on that. It'll probably actually make it run faster than new. And then also on this gear, this needs to have a little bit of lubricant on it as well, along with, if you look down in there, you can see another gear down at the bottom, which I've also, this thing in the back here, don't lubricate that because that's actually the traction for it to roll. All right, so once you've applied your lubricant, you just want to wind it a couple of times to let it work in. And then wipe it down, get any excess grease off with a paper towel or Q-tip. If your arms happen to fall out, they just, go back with the hands upwards, and that slides down in the bottom. So that's really easy to get back in there. So you're going to want to, the gear goes in like this. Just make sure it's seated down in there. All right, and then this piece here goes over top, and that's what holds the motor in place. And then obviously you just put your line that back up again, and then put your screw back on the bottom, and then you're good to go. It's the same exact process for the Mrs. Pac-Man, and then I'll show you how these run. All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1.